Hello and welcome to the CS-Cart video tutorial. My name is Alex and today we continue to speak about appearance settings. This time our topic is customer settings that determine the look of the storefront. Let's begin. Front-end default language is the default language of your storefront. Set it in correspondence with the language of your target audience. Your store visitors can change the language at the top left corner of the storefront. Let's move on. The next three settings basically do one and the same thing. They set the number of objects displayed on a page of the storefront. The first is used for pages with customer orders, the second for pages with products, and the third for any other pages with objects. For example, general information pages. Number of columns in a product list. The number of columns that is used to arrange products on a product list page. This setting actually determines the general look of your category pages on the storefront. And if we change the number of columns, the pictures will automatically resize to fill the page. So, if you want customers to see products in full details, you can use 1 or 2 columns instead of 3. Pay attention that this option applies to the grid layout only. The next 3 settings are about taxes, but let's speak about them one by one. Estimate taxes using default address on cart checkout pages. If this setting is enabled, those customers who do not specify their address will see the taxes calculated according to the default address. The default address can be set in the general settings. Display prices with taxes on category or product pages if the method of calculating taxes is based on a units price. With this setting enabled, the tax amount is automatically added to the base price. On the storefront, customers see the price that is actually a combination of the base price and a product tax. This setting applies only to category and product pages. Display prices with taxes on cart or checkout pages if the method of calculating taxes is based on a units price. This setting does exactly the same thing as the previous one, but applies only to cart and checkout pages. To make these two features work, don't forget to set the units price option in the tax calculation method setting. Done with taxes. The next thing is show number of available products. If this is enabled, the product's quantity is displayed at the products page. Display mini thumbnail images as a gallery. To learn how it works, we open a storefront and choose any product that has lots of images on its page. We tick the checkbox, and after reloading the page, all chaotic thumbnail images are reorganized into a gallery. Use value changer for the quantity field. Well, it sounds complicated, but actually value changers are just these tiny plus and minus buttons located next to the quantity field on a product page. Let's move on. Display the pagination section on the top of the listed object. This setting adds a pagination bar at the top of a product list. It can be easily spotted when visiting categories on a storefront. The next setting is the default image previewer. The image previewers are scripts that activate when a customer hovers the mouse over a big picture on a product page. So, to get the full idea, let's just see how magnetic pop-up works. At the product page, we hover a mouse over an image and it enlarges. This is how it works. Product detailed page view. Here we have two options, default template and the big picture. We have already seen the default template during multiple demonstrations, so let's just jump to the big picture. On this detailed product page we can see the big picture. It differs from the default template, and it is great for displaying clothes and shoes where small details make a difference. And the next setting is called Display Product Details in Tabs. This is a convenient way to organize information on a product page. Tabs divide information about your product into groups. For example, description, features, characteristics, reviews, and so on. You can create and manage tabs on the Product Tabs page of the Design section in the Admin panel. The last one for today is Display Track My Orders feature. This setting activates a small bar at the My Account menu. With this bar, the customer can track orders by order ID or email. Well, that's it about appearance settings that are used on the storefront. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next eCommerce video tutorials.